Welcome builders to our final lesson of this advanced module. You have built a bot. You have deployed it to the blockchain. You have tasted the power of creation. Today, we're going to look at the road ahead. We'll talk about how to make your bots even smarter, and we'll discuss the most important topic in all of smart contract development, security. Our simple trading bot is just the beginning. The skills you've learned this week are the foundation for building much more sophisticated bots. You could build a bot that trades based on the price, only buying when a token is cheap. You could build a bot that implements a moving average crossover strategy, all on-chain. You could even build a bot that automatically rebalances your portfolio for you. The point is, you are no longer limited by the tools that other people have built. You can now build your own. You can bring your own unique trading ideas to life on the blockchain in a completely decentralized way. With great power comes great responsibility. Smart contracts are immutable. Once you deploy them, you can't change them. A bug in your code can have catastrophic consequences. That's why security is not just a feature, it is the feature. There are a few sacred rules of smart contract security. First, the checks effects interactions pattern. Always check your conditions, then update your state, and only then interact with other contracts. This will protect you from re-entrancy attacks. Second, use safe math. This is a library that will prevent your numbers from overflowing or underflowing, which is a common source of bugs. And third, and most importantly, get your code audited. If you're going to put real money into a smart contract, you need to have it reviewed by professional security experts. Being a builder in this space is about more than just writing code. It's about a mindset of constant learning, of radical curiosity, and of deep responsibility. You are building the financial infrastructure of the future. It's an exciting and a humbling task. For your final Do Now project of the week, you're going to do some research on a real-world DeFi hack. This will give you a sobering and valuable lesson on the importance of security. Congratulations on an extraordinary week. You have leveled up in a massive way. You are no longer just a passenger in the world of crypto. You are a driver. Go forth and build the future. I'll see you next week. Don't miss out on the latest crypto trading tips, market news, platform updates, and exclusive course content. Our newsletter keeps you informed and ahead of the market, delivered straight to your inbox. Visit news@makeittakeit.org to subscribe today and become part of our growing community of crypto traders.